Hello friends and family. I am at my local Ace Hardware out here in the back with the trees, with the food, and they have a good supply of fruit trees. So if you're like in town, can't make it out the doors, it's a good stop. I'm on the University Boulevard Ace Hardware location, and they have a Pakistan mulberry. Their trees are priced about $55, $45, and it's tall. So that's a good size. I am trying to figure out what these are because I see a reduced clearance one for $14. Oh, this is just a butterfly cassia. They're 15 bucks, but they're pretty big. And here's a emerald blueberry. It's nice. They have them for but they don't have prices on everything, but you might want to check them out. There's more mulberry trees out here. Here's a papaya, a red lady papaya tree, and it's about 4 feet tall. And then they have some taller ones in the bag, and they're coming up $64. And these look familiar. Have more blueberry bushes with no price tags, but they're pretty blueberry bushes. These are loquat trees with no price. They have variety citrus navel orange trees, more Christmas loquats, a big lime tree back there. Ooh, I felt something. It's the water hose. Not trying to step out on no snake out here in these woods. Oh my gosh, I almost had a heart attack. $99 for this big lime tree. And that'll get you some limes this year. You got a Meyer lemon tree. And they're pretty decent size, very healthy. They tend to take a lot better care of their flowers than the big box stores. Here's a Hamelin sour orange. So they got a lot of varieties here, and they all look nice and healthy. So I am perusing around to see what they got, and they have the most beautiful flowers. So the large like red navel orange tree is $99.99, but all of them are not labeled. So they have a calamondin, but I'm growing one from seed, so we're gonna hope it works and I actually get fruit from it. And some more orange and citrus trees. Let's see what this purple tag is. Eureka Lemons. Oh wow, Eureka Lemons. Yes. So if you want a variety of lemon, they have the Meyer, the Eurekas. So this is a good spot for your citrus trees. And yes, they have them. They have plenty in stock. There is no shortage yet of them. So you might as well get them in the yard for now. There's a Clementine Tangerine. Yesterday I literally paid $2.22 for 2 oranges at Native Sun because I needed oranges, but that was still outrageous. They call them organic oranges, but look like a regular old store navel orange to me, and I paid $2.22 for 2 oranges. So keep that in mind. You got kaffir limes. Keep that in mind and get these trees in your yard. Get them producing now. Never heard of a bear's lemon? So they have a lot of nice varieties here. Persian lime, that's the one I killed. That's coming up in my garden tour. We'll talk about that, but I only paid 15 bucks, so I'll let it ride. Or either see if Gores will take it back. Another Eureka. Clementine tangerines. So you have bigger calamondin trees. So you have a good variety of stuff here. And I'm sure fruit trees are not cheap, especially one that large and that healthy. So keep that in mind, but get them while you still can. Get them established in your yard. That is the most pretty pink hibiscus I have seen in a long time, because I rarely see a pink one. They have hydrangeas in the back. They're $30, of course. They're expensive, always. And then I saw some other pretty flowers. For your permanent landscape, my HOA peeps that need a permanent landscape, no fuss, knockout roses. They come back every year. They last for years and years and years. They are a good thing to have. And these are 15, whatever they are, some little purple flowers. So it's best, so you're not buying this stuff every year, to really learn how to take care of it, so it comes back year after year. Because some people will buy it, kill it, buy it again, kill it. That's just such a waste. These mandevillas are $19.99, but the one I paid $2 and change for will look like that next year. I will take that spring DIY and separate it up as it grows and gets too big for the pot, and have it for years and years to come. So this is a nice nursery here on University Boulevard. ACE Hardware. They had a coupon for 5 off 25 on plants the other weekend. I'm sure they'll run that special again on Memorial Day. But all your little butterfly pollinator attractor flowers, they're here. So if you need just to get one in till your seeds finish blooming. And this, I can't wait till my pineapple hibiscus gets big. But oh, I just love those flowers. Every time I see them, my heart just melts. And then they have other peachy colors and pink colors and red colors. So they have a lot. And here's a beautiful red one right there. Oh goodness, it's so sunny out here. It's probably hard to see the true color. And it's attracting wasp and bees, the pollinators. So this is a beautiful, beautiful nursery. And we get over here. They actually had the pansies. Let me show you. Still got 4 packs for $2.49. So, you know, check them out before you just settle on the big box stores. $2.49, $1.99 4-inch annuals. It's so pretty. And are these the 4-pack marigolds? I'm sure they're still $2.49. So we have that's funny. The statue with the lizard on the head. These lizards looking real strange these days. It look like Jurassic Park to me. It really does. They are changing, just as the world is changing. So, down here we have the food. And this can be, again, I say do not, just drop seeds for squash. Just drop the seeds for squash. If you see like lemon boy tomatoes, something you don't have a seed for, yes. Or something you never tried and want to try and you don't have a seed for, yes. But they have a good little variety here. Red oak leaf lettuce. All veggie 4-packs, $2.49. All veggie 4-packs, $2.49. While Home Depot is charging $4.99 for one plant, and they're big. And you could probably find some with 2 in each pot. You see if I want something now, I got the shop. So the Veggie 4-packs. Now they don't say what. Okay, so the singles are, ooh, shoot, a bee. In here pollinating, get away from me. Okay, sorry to bother you. $2.99 for the singles. Orange blaze peppers, big boy tomatoes. See, I'm growing some spaghetti squash. I had no problem with dropping the seeds on that one. California Wonders, Carolina Reapers, $2.99. Wow. So don't pay the $4 at Home Depot for sure. Heirloom Marriage, I never heard of that one. And of course they got, some of them are $4.99. Now they do still have the mortgage lifters and they're $4.99. So some of them are $4.99. But you do have some bargains here. Don't count them out. I scanned these cages at Walmart. They were ringing up $35. That is highway robbery. They will be there next year for $3. Don't know how much they are here, but that is a shame. This is a beautiful nursery. Gorgeous nursery. And don't count them out. Oh, wow, what's that? That is so... Okay, so those are the bleeding hearts. Oh, my goodness, they're beautiful. That is something beautiful for the yard. Beautiful. Oh, goodness. So, yeah, you have a lot to choose from out here. Don't count out the ACE Hardware. They are few and far between and forgotten, but they should not be. You should definitely check them out. So the Mandevillias, $29.99. I bought one for $2, and it'll be that big come this time next year. So, but if you don't have the green thumb, but you can kind of keep them alive, it's a good stop for you. Have a whole row of them. Beautiful, beautiful. I almost want one of these bleeding hearts. Oh, that's so pretty. And the Mother's Day orchids are out on the loose. That's all they have. The Mother's Day orchids these days. Don't give your mama a Mother's Day orchid if she'd rather have the money. Just give her the money. Just give her the money. So that's cactuses. We don't care about those. We can't eat them. Just some aloe maybe. And you know that grows wild. But I hope you like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Check out your local ACE Hardware. Think outside of the box and go different places to source your veggies and fruits and flowers and landscaping needs. And shop around. I hope I led you to a place with better prices or somewhere that you kind of pass through and you can go in and look and maybe catch a deal. And go ahead, hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell. Catch all my run deals when they're posted. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.